हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आरजी स्टूडियो चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मेरा नाम राहुल है, मैं एक टीचर हूँ। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इम्पोर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस की जानकारी देने जा रहा हूँ, जो कि मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम MPH एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए बहुत उपयोगी हैं, जो कि विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के लिए होते हैं, जैसे कि एम्स, PGI-MER चंडीगढ़, TISS मुंबई, JIPMER पौंडुचेरी, IIPH, निमांस बेंगलोर, JNU, हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, ICMR और अदर इंस्टीट्यूट और यूनिवर्सिटी जिनके लिए MPH एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होता है, मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, उन सभी के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक उपयोगी है। और जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के PDF नोट्स लेना चाहते हैं, ऑनलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वो 9411513974 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी के लिए एक व्हाट्सअप ग्रुप बना रखा है, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के वीडियोज मिलते रहें और विभिन्न जॉब्स और एडमिशंस के लिए जो नए अपडेट्स आते हैं उसकी जानकारी मिलती रहे। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ विटामिन ए डोजेस गिवन टू बेबी अप टू 3 years of age. What are the total number of vitamin A doses that should be given to baby up to 3 years of age? Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct answer is option C, 5. Total number of vitamin A doses given to baby up to 3 years of age should be 5. Its explanation is under vitamin A supplementation program that is integrated through Reproductive and Child Health RCS program and now National Rural Health Mission NRHM, children between 9 and 36 months of age are to be provided with vitamin A solution every 6 months, starting with 100,000 IU at 9 months of age with measles vaccination and subsequently 200,000 IU every 6 months till 36 months of age. Question number second is, the tendency of an offspring to resemble its parent is known as. The tendency of an offspring means जो नेक्स्ट पीढ़ी है, संतान है, to resemble उसकी तरह लगना, its parent is known as. So what is the tendency of an offspring to resemble its parent is known as? Option 1 variation, second heredity, third resemblance, fourth inheritance. Correct answer is heredity. The tendency of an offspring to resemble its parent is known as. Correct answer is heredity. Its explanation is heredity, also called inheritance or biological inheritance, is the passing on of traits from parents to their offspring, either through asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. The offspring cells or organism acquire the genetic information of their parents. Next question is question number 3. Which is the vaccine that should not be given to the baby of HIV positive mother? What is the vaccine that should not be given to the baby of HIV positive mother? Option A rubella, B hepatitis B, C DPT, D option D BCG. Correct answer is option D BCG. The vaccine that should not be given to the baby of HIV positive mother is BCG. Explanation is BCG vaccine is contraindicated in people with impaired immunity. So the vaccine that is BCG vaccine is contraindicated in people with impaired immunity. And WHO does not recommend BCG vaccination for children with symptomatic HIV infection. GACVS concluded that the findings indicated there is a high risk of disseminated BCG disease developing in HIV infected infants, and therefore BCG vaccine should not be used in children who are known to be HIV infected. Next question, question number 4 is, who is known as the father of genetics? Who is known as the father of genetics? Option A Morgan, option second Mendel, option third Watson, option 4 Watson. Correct answer option second Mendel. Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Its explanation is Gregor Mendel, known as the father of modern genetics, was born in Austria in 1822. A monk, Mendel discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiment in his monastery garden. Question number 5 is, As per 2015 American Heart Association guideline, the compression ventilation ratio while performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation is, as per 2015 American Heart Association guideline, the compression ventilation ratio while performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation is option A 15:2, B 30:2, C 15:1, D 30:1. Correct answer option B 30:2. So as per the American Heart Association guideline, the compression ventilation ratio while performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation is 30:2. Its explanation is the compression to ventilation ratio is the number of chest compressions given followed by the number of ventilation breaths given while performing CPR. A compression to ventilation ratio of 30:2 means you should give 30 chest compressions followed by 2 ventilation breaths. I am telling its explanation again. This is very important question. The compression to ventilation ratio is the number of chest compressions given followed by the number of ventilation breaths given while performing CPR. A compression to ventilation ratio of 30:2 means you should give 30 chest compressions followed by 2 ventilation breaths. Next question 6. The alternate form of a gene is. What is the alternate form of a gene? Options 1 alternate type, 2nd recessive character, 3rd dominant character, 4 allele. Correct answer option 4 allele. The alternate form of a gene is, correct answer is allele. Its explanation is an alternative form of a gene is known as an allele. Alleles vary in their sequence which may or may not result in a variant phenotype of a particular trait. Alleles represent variations of a gene that is responsible for a particular trait. Example Gracia, ABO blood group in humans are a good example of multiple alleles. Next question 7. Diclofenac sodium is an option A anti-hypertensive, B oral hypoglycemic, C anti-inflammatory analgesic, option D antipyretic. Correct answer option C anti-inflammatory analgesic. Question here is diclofenac sodium is, correct answer is anti-inflammatory analgesic. Its explanation is diclofenac is a non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. This medicine works by reducing substances in the body that cause pain and inflammation. Diclofenac is used to treat mild to moderate pain or signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Voltaren is also indicated for the treatment of ankylosing spondylitis. So diclofenac sodium is an, correct answer is anti-inflammatory analgesic. Next question 8. The genotypic ratio of a monohybrid cross is. What is the genotypic ratio of a monohybrid cross is? Options are 1:2:1, option second 3:1, option third 2:1:1, option 4 9:3:3:1. Correct answer option 1 1:2:1. The genotypic ratio of a monohybrid cross is, correct answer is 1:2:1. Explanation is a monohybrid cross is a mating between two individuals with different alleles at one genetic locus of interest. The expected genotype ratio when two heterozygotes are crossed is 1 homozygous dominant, second is to second, that is heterozygous is to 1 homozygous recessive. Parents capital T small t X, capital T small t gametes capital T comma T capital T comma T ऑफस्प्रिंग जो उनकी संतानें होंगी कैपिटल टी कॉमा capital T small t, comma, capital T small t and small t small t. Next question 9. Coronary artery disease which relieved by rest and nitroglycerin. What is the coronary artery disease which relieved by rest and nitroglycerin? Option A, myocardial infarction, B, angina, C, arrhythmia, D, heart block. Correct answer option B, that is angina. Coronary artery disease which relieved by rest and nitroglycerin. Correct answer is angina. Explanation is the clinical hallmark of a stable coronary artery disease is angina pectoris caused by physical or emotional stress that is relieved by rest or nitroglycerin intake. Next question 10. The crossing of F1 to either of the parents is known as. What is the crossing of F1 to either of the parents is known as? A, option 1 test cross, second back cross, third F1 cross, 4 all of the above. Correct answer option second, back cross. The crossing of F1 to either of the parents is known as. Correct answer, back cross. Explanation is back cross the mating of a hybrid organism with one of its parents or with an organism genetically similar to the parent. The back cross is useful in genetic studies for isolating certain characteristics in a related group of animals or plants. In animal breeding, a back cross is often called as top cross. So in this video, 10 important multiple choice questions are given that are very useful for various entrance exam for MPH, that is Master of Public Health, like AIIMS, PGIMER, Chandigarh, TISS, Mumbai, JIPMER, Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS, Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, and other institute and universities which conduct entrance exam for MPH. Students who are preparing for entrance exam of MPH and other competitive exams, for this they can join online coaching and take PDF notes by WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.